হৈছে মোৰ ইউটিউব চেনেল ইডো ফাষ্ট। আজি মই 2021 বৰ্ষত হৈ যোৱা CTET-ৰ এনভাইৰনমেণ্টেল ষ্টাডিজৰ প্ৰশ্ন কাকত এখন আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ লৈছোঁ। ভিডিঅ'টি সম্পূৰ্ণ MCQৰ লগতে শুদ্ধ অপশ্যন বাছনি কৰি প্ৰস্তুত কৰিছোঁ। শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত কিবা ভুল বিসংগতি হ'লে আপোনালোকে নিশ্চয় কমেণ্ট ছেকশ্যনত জনাব। কুৱেশ্যন বুকলেটখন মেইন পেপাৰ I সিৰিজৰ হয়। EVS-ৰ কুৱেশ্যন কেইটা 61ৰ পৰা 90 লৈকে আছিল। MCQ কেইটা আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। Which one of the following is not a union territory of India? তলত কোনটো ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ ইউনিয়ন টেৰিটৰী নহয়? Right answer is Manipur. Manipur is not a union territory of India. Option 3. Next question. Which among the following produce crude oil? Petroleum. তলৰ কোন কেইটা অশোধিত খনিজ তেল উৎপন্ন কৰে? শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব গুজৰাট এণ্ড তামিলনাডু। অপশ্যন 3. Question number 63. The constitution of our country was prepared under the leadership of আমাৰ সংবিধানখন কাৰ নেতৃত্বত প্ৰস্তুত কৰা হৈছিল? শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 3. ডক্টৰ ভীমৰাও বাবা চাহেব আম্বেদকাৰ। 64 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যন। কনচিডাৰ দ্য ফলোয়িং ফাংচনছ ফৰ এ প্লেণ্ট। শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 4. A, C and D. To give support to the plant, to store food, to absorb water and minerals. এইকেইটা ৰাইট এনচাৰ হয়। পৰৱৰ্তী প্ৰশ্ন। পুছামপল্লী is a town of southern state of India which is famous for its beautifully designed bright colored Puchampalli sarees and for the special kind of web which is also called Puchampalli. This town is now a part of Puchampalli শাৰীৰ বাবে বিখ্যাত আৰু পুছামপল্লী শাৰী বনোৱা কাৰখানা বা তাঁতৰ বাবে বিখ্যাত পুছামপল্লী ঠাইখন বৰ্তমান কোনখন ৰাজ্যৰ পাৰ্ট হয়? প্ৰশ্নটোত কোৱা হৈছে। শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব তেলেংগানা। অপশ্যন 3. Question number 66. Select from the following a group of eatables, each member of which is rich in iron. Right answer is Amla Hispanic jaggery. Option 2. Question number 67. Select from the following a group of birds, each members of which is able to distinctly the object 4 times as far as we can see. Good option to have 4. Eagles, kites, and vultures. Question number 68. In which one of the following states most villagers construct their wooden houses 3 to 3.5 meters above the ground on strong bamboo pillars with sloping roofs? তলৰ কোনখন ৰাজ্যৰ বেছিভাগ লোকে বাঁহ বেতেৰে ঘৰ সাজে মাটিৰ পৰা 3 বা 3 মিটাৰ ওপৰত উইথ স্লপিং ৰুফছ? শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 3. আসাম। 69 নম্বৰ MCQটো হ'ল with respect to the location of Delhi on the map of India, the direction of the locations of Gandhinagar and Patna respective are? শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব to south west and south east, দক্ষিণ পশ্চিম আৰু দক্ষিণ পূব। Question number 70. Which one of the following did experiment with pea plant and found that the pea plant has some traits which come in pairs such as rough or smooth, tall or short, yellow or green, etc. শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 2. G. Johann Mendel. Next question. Which one of the following is one of the 6 themes suggested in the EVS syllabus as per NCF 2005? শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 3. Things we make and do. Question number 72. What should be avoided in anecdotal records? শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 1. A and B. Identifying majority problematic situation. Making statement of judgment. Question number 73 to hall. How will you plan for an integrated EVS classroom? Put the option to have 1. Combine 2 or more subject areas in one lesson. Question number 74. Punet gave his class 5 learners an outline of human body and asked them to draw the digestive system before teaching chapter on food. Punet wanted to. শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 2. Elicit learners' ideas about digestion. 75. Which of the following is not correct with respect to formative assessment? শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 1. It is to be reported in every quarter of report card. 76 number. Smita wanted to sanitize her learners about gender disparity and stereotypes related to work. What should Smita choose to do in her class from the following suggestion? শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 4. Invite a student's mother to class who is an auto driver. Question number 77. Samayan of class 5 usually does not do his given classwork. The best measures to address the situation could be to শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 1. Talk to him, find his difficulty and adjust class work accordingly. 78 number question. Muskan organized a debate on the topic use of diesel vehicles in transportation should be prohibited. What is the purpose of organizing this debate by Muskan in classroom? শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 4. It helps students in appreciating multiple perspectives on this issue. মই জাষ্ট ৰাইট এনচাৰটো কৈ দিছোঁ. Question number 79. Making skills in EVS help develop. শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব understanding of relative positions of places. Question number 80. The integrated nature of EVS helps to. শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 2. Reduce curriculum load and help children to learn meaningfully. MCQ number 81. Which of the following is not a board indicator of EVS assessment? শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 4. Concept mapping. 82 number question. There is a paragraph in class 5 EVS textbook based on Alberoni's observation of construction of ponds in India some thousand years ago. What would be the purpose of including this paragraph? শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 2. A, C and D. A অপশ্যনত আছে it helps learners to identify sources of history. C দিয়া আছে it helps learners to appreciate technology present in India some 100 years back. আৰু D অপশ্যনত আছে it helps learners to appreciate the role of evidence in history. পৰৱৰ্তী প্ৰশ্ন. With over 50 students in her class, when you want to engage them in an activity which involves maximum numbers of sense to enhance learning, which of the following activities will be suitable for this purpose? শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 4. Organizing field trip to a nearby place. 84 number question. Why does ICRA encourage her learners to read newspaper and magazine in EVS? শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 4. This help learners become competitive. পৰৱৰ্তী প্ৰশ্ন 85 নম্বৰ. Questioning as a strategy in teaching learning of EVS in used for. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন 4. Arousing curiosity in classroom. Question number 86. In which of the following states the meaning of Torang in jungle? শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 4. ঝাৰখণ্ড. 87 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটোত ডিৰেকশ্যনৰ অংক এটা দিয়া আছে. শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 3. 100 মিটাৰ ডিউ ৱেষ্ট. 88 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটোৰ এনচাৰ হ'ব 2. 38.5 কিলোমিটাৰ আৱাৰ্ছ. 89 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্ন. Which one of the following statements is not true for the honeybees and beehives? শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 2. Male bees are very important for the hives. Question number 90. Last question. Today we cannot think of food without chilies. These were brought to our country by traders coming from. শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো হ'ব 3. South Africa. এয়া আছিল 2021 বৰ্ষৰ CTET-ৰ EVS-ৰ এখন প্ৰশ্ন কাকতৰ MCQৰ লগতে সমাধান. মই কিছু প্ৰশ্নৰ জাষ্ট শুদ্ধ অপশ্যনটো কৈ দিছোঁ বিশ্লেষণ নকৰি. সকলোৱে দীঘল ভিডিঅ' ভাল নাপায়. আশা কৰোঁ ভিডিঅ'টোৰ জৰিয়তে কিছু আপোনালোক উপকৃত হ'ব. ধন্যবাদ.